Good day. In this short webinar, we're going to talk about releasing a Word template to multiple users for access in the SalesLogix web client. This is a very short webinar, but a very important webinar for a user to be able to have other users access a template that they've created. So let me switch over to my web client here for a moment and we'll get started. Okay, so I've opened my web client here, and I'm just going to go up to my right menu and choose Manage Templates. When you move like that, sometimes it goes to the back of the screen, so you just have to minimize Client here, and here that box is sitting open back there. So in here, in the other webinar, I had created a template called Introduction Letter. So here the introduction letter is sitting beneath private templates, and we want to be able to go in and release that to other individuals or to everyone so that it actually shows up in public templates and everyone would have access to it. So in order to do that, I'm going to open up my architect, and let me go and get that architect open right now. So here's architect. And I'm just going to go up to Manage Plugins. And in the Manage Plugins, you just want to make sure that the template type or the mail merge templates is chosen in the type of plugin. So here we're looking at all of our different templates, and here's our introduction template. We can see here with the checkbox checked in DEV or development, it's released to the development person, which is the admin person. Now if we want to release that to other individuals, we're going to go up to our release icon up here, and in here I can either click on Add and choose individual users, where I can use my control key here and choose several users if I want, or I can go to Departments and choose one or many different departments, or I can go to Teams and choose one or many different teams. If I cancel that, I can also just choose everyone, and that would release it to everyone in the company. So then I can go ahead and click on OK there, which is going to release that to everyone, and now we'll put that into public templates. So in order for you to release, that needs to be done from within the architect here. You go into Manage Plugins, choose the correct plugin type, which is Templates Mail Merge. Highlight your specific plugin that you want to release, and then go up to the release icon. And vice versa, if you want to remove releases so nobody can see a certain template, you can come in here and also remove those releases. Okay, so I've returned back to my web client again, and I'm just going to go to my right menu and choose Manage Templates. When it brings up the Manage Template box, remember that always goes to the background, so I'm just going to minimize here. And if I look now underneath my public templates up in the top part of the screen, you'll see that I have my introduction letter. So because I'm the administrator, it will still show up underneath my private templates under private letters, but it also shows up under public letters for everyone else because I released it to everyone else in the company. So this has been releasing a Word template to multiple users for access in the SalesLogix web client. Remember, we can release it not only to users, but to departments and teams also. Thank you for joining me today, and have a great afternoon.